Rose? Rose, are you dead? Rose! No! No, Rose! Rose, I'm so sorry I cheated on you with your brother. No, Rose!
What the heck, John? John's not dead. John.
Hey guys, looks like a party in here. Need anything? Condom? Nah. Eh? No? We got shocks.
You were cheating on me with Dave?
No, I wasn't cheating on you with Dave.
Yes, you were. I
I
heard
was
you.
not cheating on you with Dave.
I heard you.
No.
I heard
No.
you say so yourself.
No.
Were you engaged in sloppy Jacobs on the roof with Dave?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, you were.
No.
I heard you say
No.
so. Is there anything we need to talk about, John? I think there is.
Mm-mm. No.
Are you into necrophilia, John?
What?
Nothing?
What?
Nothing.